Hello, this is Jonathan Kamlegea once again, and today I want us to look at matrix multiplication. It is possible to multiply two matrices if the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of columns in the second matrix. Let's see what it means when you're dealing out with matrices. In this case, take an example. If I'm given two matrices, matrix A, which is the same as 2, 3, 1, and -1. Whereas matrix B, in this case, this matrix B, if matrix B given to me, it's the same as 1, 4, 2, and -3. And they tell me to find AB. AB simply means I'm multiplying matrix A and matrix B. It is possible, they are saying it is possible if the number of columns in the first matrix they are the same as the number of rows in the second column. What do they mean? If you look at the first column, it has an order which is 2 by 2. Whereas the second column, it has an order of 2 by 2. If this number here is the same as that number, that means that we can multiply the two matrices. If these numbers are not the same, that implies that we can't multiply the two matrices, and this is how we are going to do it. Therefore, to find AB, it will be the same as, I'm going to write it as 2, 3, 1, and -1, across the bracket. The second matrix, it's going to be 1, 4, 2, and -3. If I'm to multiply these two matrices, in this case, it's going to be row multiply with a column. In that case, I'm going to have something which looks like this. Let me hope you can see the screen clearly. If I multiply out here 2, let me write here, as you can see, 2 times 1 to be now 2 times 1 plus 2 times 3 to be 2 times 3. Then I go to the next one, 2 times 4, then give me 2 times 4 plus 3 times -3 to be 3 times -3. Cross that bracket. The next one, 1 times 1 to be 1 times 1 plus -1 times 3, -1 times 2, -1 times 2. Then the next one, 1 times 4 to be 1 times 4, then plus -1 times -3, -1 times -3. If I try to simplify here, then I'll add 2 times 1 to give me a 2 plus 2 times 3, it will give me a 6. And then 2 times 4 to give me an 8. And then 2 times -3, it will give me a -9. Then cross that bracket. 1 times 1 to be a 1 plus -1 times 2 to give me a -2. 1 times 4 to give me a 4 plus -1 times -3 to give me a 3. If you simplify this one further, 2 plus 6 to give me a 8. Then 1 minus 2 to give me a 1. And then to be a -1, because 1 minus 2 to give me -1. 8 minus 9 to give me a -1. And then 4 plus a 3, it will give me a 7. Close the bracket. By doing this, I have worked out multiplication of my two matrices. I've multiplied A times B. It will be the same as 8, -1, -1, and 7. And that's how we do multiplication of these two matrices.